Welcome for today's class of mathematics for algebra paper it is. Today's question is taken from algebra. Okay, for BSc and MSc level, both levels. So today's question is show that every group of prime order is cyclic. Let us prove this. So first okay, take down the question. Show that every group of prime order is cyclic. Then let me prove. First write down that GB, let GB a group of prime order and P say choose, you'll have to choose A belongs to group G, right? And A is not equal to E. Now I'll have to consider A, the cyclic group generated by A. The cyclic group generated by A. Now what is this? A, the cyclic group generated by A it is. Okay. Then by Lagrange theorem write down. By Lagrange's theorem, order of A, directly write down order of A upon order of G, then order of A upon order of G is P prime. Okay, G be a group of prime order. So but write down but P is a prime. Okay, so therefore write down order of A is equal to 1 or order of A is equal to P. Either one will satisfy. Order of A is equal to P or order of A is equal to 1 or order of A is equal to P. But you'll have to write down but order of A is not equal to 1 since A is not equal to identity E. Okay, therefore you'll have to write down that order of A is equal to P. Therefore I can say that order of A, for G is equal to A. Okay, so I hope you'll have understood how to show that every group of a prime order is cyclic. So this is the way you'll have to know the definitions, okay, basic definitions to solve the proof. And I hope you'll have understood the proof, how to solve. Okay, this I have solved a homework problem. And thanks for watching. If any doubts, queries, you can comment below.